In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Miro. Whether you're working on a collaborative project, crafting a mind map, or enhancing a presentation, inserting images can significantly enrich your brainstorming and storytelling process. Miro, a widely used online whiteboard platform, makes it simple and intuitive to add visual elements to your boards. So let's dive into the process, ensuring that you can seamlessly incorporate images into your work. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Miro board. Once you've navigated to your desired space, you'll want to direct your attention to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a variety of tools at your disposal. Look specifically for the option that says Images and Icons. Clicking on this will open a new pane where you can search for images, icons, and other graphic elements. Miro integrates with services like Unsplash, Google Images, and the Noun Project, offering you a comprehensive library to enhance your board with just the images you need. Alternatively, if you have images stored on your device, Miro offers a straightforward upload function, making it easy to personalize your board with custom visuals. Once you've opened the Images and Icons pane, you're ready to select the image or images you wish to use. You can either search for something specific using the search bar at the top, or browse through different categories until you find something suitable for your project. When you find an image you like, the next step is to introduce it to your workspace. Miro allows for a simple drag-and-drop functionality, which means you can click on the image, hold down your mouse, and drag it directly onto the board. Drop it into place, and voila! Your image is now situated on your canvas, ready for you to move, resize, or layer as you see fit. Adjusting the image to fit your needs is just as easy. Once the image is on your board, you can click and drag any corner to resize it while maintaining its aspect ratio. If you need to rotate the image, simply use the rotation handle located just outside the corners. Moving your image around the board is as simple as selecting it and dragging it to your preferred location. Miro also allows you to layer images with other objects, giving you full control over the design and composition of your work. And there you have it, a complete guide to inserting images in Miro. With these steps, adding visual elements to your projects should be straightforward, enhancing both your presentation and creative process. So go ahead, experiment with different images, and make your Miro board truly unique. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!